Hey guys, welcome to this video. Wait, this is such what's going on in Houston, Texas, and all over Texas, whatever. Guys, you guys need to help one another. I know how I have family down there. They're like condo. They don't have air conditioning. They don't have heat. They don't have water, I think. But guys, but the Houston's getting better. It's just really bad down there right now. But it is getting better. They're rebuilding houses. They're doing this. They're doing that. It's really getting better. So let me show you some clips of Rick and Harvey. Okay, guys. That's really bad. What it's down there right now. I'm not calling or anything, but it's like really bad. So stay strong. Keep on what you're doing. And I know you guys don't like Trump and all, but he's a really good president. And he said Texas can do anything because if there's a good disaster, Houston can clean up the mess. They can come together as a big group, make houses. They can build houses. But some people who lost pets, dogs, cats, it's really sad when they lose dogs because well, I don't live in Texas, so I'm not talking about that, but when they lose pets, dogs, I love dogs. So you can if you want to get another dog, you can. There's one out there, and you can go to PetSmart. You can get another dog. You can go to a breeder. It's just really sad. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. And my video will be more. I would be more to beat. So guys, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.